Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. This is Faiza Ali. Welcome to my next presentation on chapter number 2, Information Network. Today we have a discussion topic of network topologies. Topology means linkage. The term topology refers to the layout of connected devices on a network. In short, network topology is connecting two devices and the connection in between them is because of the topologies due to which communication can be established and everyone can share data from one device to another. Let's discuss the types of network topology. There are 5 types of network topology. The first one is bus topology. The architecture of bus topology is as where you can see that all the computers are connected in a series form. The next is ring topology. The picture of the ring topology is as, and you can note that all the systems are connected in a ring format. The next one is star topology. In this topology, all the clients or computers are connected with the central hub, which is known as server, and all the computer systems can access anything from the server. The next is tree topology. Tree topology is the combination of bus topologies, and you can see that all the bus topologies are connected with a central backbone where they can share their information easily. In the last, we have a mesh topology, and the infrastructure of mesh topology is as. Now you can see that it is look like a star topology where multiple computers are connected with one another in the star format. But here is a difference is that all the devices are connected and we don't have a server where they are connect the devices, but all the systems have the potential of the server and they all can access information from one another directly. Just now we have studied a short brief of the topologies. Now we will discuss all the topologies in detail. The first one is bus topology. The hierarchy is as. In this topology, computers are connected in a series. A special device called terminator is connected on both ends of the series to absorb the signals. Here in the diagram you can see that on both ends there are a lighter shade which shows that terminator is attached, and these terminators catch the signals due to which all the computer systems can work smoothly. The bus topology works best with a limited number of devices, but if more devices are added then its performance goes down, because when we add a new system it increases the time period, because one system has to wait unless the other system doesn't complete its task. If the backbone cable fails, the entire network effectively becomes unusable, because in this network you can see that we have a backbone where all the computers are connected. So if they will not work, then definitely all the systems cannot be work. Now I will tell you a collision detection, which is maybe a problem in the bus topology, but due to the availability of CD we can resolve that issue. So CSMA CD means Carrier Sense Multiple Access Collision Detection. It is a method in which connection between two or more stations is resolved by collision detection. So because of the in a series format it may be give you the collision problems, but due to the CD collision problem resolved. The next is CS means Carrier Sense Multiple Access Carrier Sense. A node listens to the bus of a predetermined amount of time before transmitting and waits until the talking node has completed transmission. So it waits unless a complete job is not done. The next is CR, which means collision resolution. It allows multiple devices to talk at once. A protocol determines which device receives priority. So due to the CR, the computer systems are assigned in numbers and they give you the priority which one is first and which one is next. So all the devices are work on the same time period and they can just give the priority which one has to be first and which one has to be next. So due to the CD, CS, CR, collision problem is resolved in bus topology. The next topology is ring topology. Its infrastructure is as in our ring network, every device has exactly two neighbors for communication purpose. In the diagram, you can note that if I am selecting this computer system, it has two neighbors, this one and this one. All messages travel through a ring in the same direction, effectively either clockwise or counterclockwise. The arrows are already shown in the diagram, which shows the direction of the clockwise or anti-clockwise. A failure in any cable or device breaks the loop and can take down the entire network, because if this system doesn't work, then definitely communication between these two devices will not be possible. The next topology is star topology. A star network features a central connection point called a hub or a switch, as shown in the diagram, that all the computer systems are connected with a central device. This is known as hub or a switch. Devices typically connected to the hub with unshielded twisted pair Ethernet. So we are using the technology of the twisted pair for the communication. Compared to the bus topology, a star network generally requires more cables, but a failure in any star network cable will not only take down one computer's network access and not the entire LAN. If the hub fails, however, the entire network also fails, which means that if this system will not be worked, then there is no problem in the network. All the rest of the computers can communicate and work effectively. But if the central hub will be failed, then whole the system will be break, because they cannot communicate to one another because of the hub is not working anymore. The next is tree topology. Now you can see the infrastructure of a tree topology in the diagram. Tree topology integrates multiple star topologies together onto a bus. In its simplest form, all hub devices connected directly to the tree bus, and each hub function as the roots of a tree of devices. As you can see in the diagram, that it looks like a tree where all the star topologies are connected with a central backbone to make efficient working. This bus star hybrid approach supports future expandability of the network much better than a bus or a star alone. The last topology is mesh topology, and its hierarchy as. Mesh topology involves the concept of roots. Unlike each of the previous topologies, messages sent on a mesh network can take any of several possible paths from source to destination. For example, if this computer system wants to send the data to this system, it can send directly, or it can send through this computer systems, or it can send through this computer system, or it also have another option that is like this, and from this they can share the information. Mesh topology has high fault tolerance due to multiple links. It works fine even under severe loads. Troubleshooting of mesh network is easy as compared to other networks. If data is not communicated between any two computers, then it means that there is some fault in direct links between them. So if this computer system has any problem with the direct link, this computer system can use any alternative path to communicate or share data. The disadvantage of mesh topology is in installation and reconfiguration, as well as the cost of maintaining redundant links, because it is very complex hierarchy. So for that we have to pay too much cost to install this topology. Thank you for watching my tutorial. If you like my video, please click on the like button and hit the subscribe button.